Students, today we are going to write exercise 13.3. Question number 1. Draw a ray PQ. Draw a perpendicular to PQ at P using a protractor. Now we are using protractor to draw a perpendicular. So see here, first with help of scale, we will first draw a ray PQ. This is a ray PQ. Now we have to draw a perpendicular. So how we will draw? This is our end point. With help of protractor, this central point we will keep at a point P, and this horizontal line that we will keep on ray PQ, and we have to draw a 90 degree. So here 90 degree is here there, so we will make a point here and we have to join. In this we will give name R. So it is a perpendicular to ray P. Write this name PR, perpendicular to PQ. Now question number 2. Draw a ray M, and at M draw an angle of 90 degree using a set square. So first we have to draw a ray M, and with help of scale we will draw a ray. We will give name M, and see, this is our set square. Okay, so with help of this we have to draw a 90 degree angle, means right angle. So we will keep this corner at point M and this properly on the ray M, and we have to draw a straight line. So this is our 90 degree angle. We can give your name O. Draw circles with the following radius. So here radius are given. We have to draw a circle with help of rounder. This is a compass. We also called this as a rounder. Okay, so number 1 is radius is given 3.5 centimeter. So with help of scale we will draw first radius. See, from we have to take from 0 and point 3.5 means 3 is here there. 0.5 means 3 and 4 between this big line is there, in that we have to take. So from 0 to this much, this is a 3.5 centimeter. Now we have to measure this radius with rounder. We have to take the measures of the radius. Okay, then one end point we will keep here, and we have to draw a circle. This is a circle with the radius 3.5 centimeter. Now inside we have to give the name AB. Now second one, 4.8 centimeter. So first we have to draw radius 4.8, means from 0 to we will take 0 to from 4, then 4.5, then we have to take 6, 7, 8. Okay, this we have to give name PQ, 4.8 centimeter. Now we have to take a measure of PQ, and now we have to keep one end point rounder in P, and we have to draw a circle. Full round we have to draw. So then only we will get a circle. So it is a circle, radius 4.8 centimeter. Now number 3. Number 3, 5 centimeter. Radius is of 5 centimeter. So we will draw first radius 5 centimeter. So from 0 to we have to take 0 to 5. We will give the name M and 5 centimeter. With rounder we will measure it. It is of 5 centimeter. Okay, we have to measure it properly, then only we will get proper circle. 5 centimeter, and this one end we will keep at M, and we have to draw a circle. So it is a circle of 5 centimeter with number 4 6.5 centimeter. So first we will draw radius from 0 to 6 first, then between 6 and 7 that big line is there, till that we have to draw 6.5. So it is a radius of 6.5 centimeter. We will give the name XY. Then we have to measure the radius with help of rounder. Okay, this way we have to measure this. Then we have to keep the one end, means still and in at the point X, and we have to draw a circle. So it is a circle of 6.5 centimeter. Now number 5 7 centimeter. So we have to draw a radius of 7 centimeter. From 0 to 7. We will give name 7 centimeter. Now we have to take a measure of rounder. Okay, this way we have to take. Then we have to keep one end in E point, and we have to draw. Okay, it is a circle of radius 7 centimeter. Now question number 4, fill in the blanks. A circle is a dash figure, a circle is a closed figure. Now number 2, diameter of a circle equal to dash multiplied by its radius, 2 multiplied by its radius. A chord is a line segment having both its endpoints on circle. Number 4, a diameter is a chord passing through the dash of a circle, center of the circle. Now next one, both the set squares have a common angle of 90 degree. Both the set square having the common angle of 90 degree.